name is John Greene. I am one of the business development managers here at Datamark, and my role with the company is really to go out and find new work for the rest of our staff to perform. Now, it goes a little bit deeper than that. What I really do is I try to act as a consultant for our clients and our prospective clients, and so, try to investigate the situation and see where the problem lies with their data, and then help them to design a solution around that. And sometimes that solution involves, simply putting together some software and some services to help their data situation. And sometimes it also involves like going out and trying to help them garner funding. So I do a lot of grant writing as well. And so we help our clients not only solve the problem, but figure out how to fund that solution as well. Data remediation can cover a wide range of topics. Technically speaking, data remediation means I'm going to fix my data for a specific purpose. And in our industry, that purpose is for public safety. And so the reason that data remediation is important in our industry is there are precious lives that hang off of the end of that data remediation process. And what I mean by that is whenever we look at data remediation, we consider the end result of that data remediation, how that's going to reduce emergency response times. And so you have to keep that in mind whenever you're looking at data remediation. How is this address point, how is this road center line going to be represented in the PSAP? How is it going to be represented in the call routing process? And how does that affect emergency response times? Does it shorten the emergency response times, or does it lengthen the emergency response times? So ultimately, we want to shorten that emergency response time, and it's important simply because to me, it's the only GIS niche in the industry that really affects how that we look at emergency response. The first thing that we do is we take a deep dive into their data. We do that through a DRC process, or a data readiness check. So before that you apply data to any public safety system, you want to know how that data is going to respond. You want to know how that data is going to affect things like response times. And so we start with that DRC process, and then Datamark has developed a suite of software and services that can assist with the data remediation process. And so if you choose to remediate the data on your own, we have a set of software that helps you identify the problems and helps you remediate those issues. And then, should you choose to apply some services from Datamark, we have a very large GIS staff that can come in and help you, through GIS data remediation services, help you remediate your data, and then help you also apply a plan moving forward to make sure that that data is maintained properly going into the future.